Hi, welcome to LAVCA 5th grade ELA Read Alouds for Study Island. This topic is compare and contrast. Open your Study Island lesson and be ready to listen and follow along. Then you'll be ready to open this topic and complete 10 practice questions. To compare two things is to show similarities between them. To contrast two things is to show differences between them. You can now pause this recording and click here to play the movie in your Study Island lesson. Question: how are the things in these pictures alike and different? The answer is the hats both have black ribbons and the dogs are different colors. To compare or show similarities, look for words like similar, in the same way, likewise, just like, as well, or in addition. To contrast or show differences, look for words like different, in contrast, on the other hand, however, on the contrary, instead, although, and but. I'm going to read the story and then take a look at the sample questions that follow. This story is called Friar Woods. Friar Woods is a nice, quiet place. Some might call it a neighborhood. All the animals talk to each other. They work together and they play together. They also protect each other from harm. Leo the lion is known as the fighter. He will fight any intruder that comes into Friar Woods without an invitation. He works really hard during the day and sleeps soundly at night. Otto the owl hoots when danger is near. Otto sleeps all day and is up all night. Friar Woods is always under a watchful eye. The animals take care of each other and live in harmony. So the first question is, what is similar about Leo and Otto? Remember, we're looking for words like similar, and they tell us we are going to look for things that compare. And the answer is Leo and Otto both live in Friar Woods. The next question is, how are Leo and Otto different? Remember, when we're looking at differences, we're contrasting. And the answer is Leo sleeps at night and Otto sleeps during the day. There are many ways two stories or passages can differ. It is up to you to notice how. Here are a few definitions to get you started. You can pause this recording and go to your lesson and click to play the movie. One of the ways is scope, or the range of observation, the extent or time frame. For example, the scope of Star Wars trilogy is wider than that of just Star Wars itself. Another way is the treatment, the manner of treating a subject in literature. For example, the treatment of this passage is light and simple. I say it is time we give our brother the whale a break, folks. We should stop hunting them for our amusement parks and just let them live a long life in the big ocean. Another is the organization, the structure or order of a passage. For example, is the passage chronological or arranged in order of time? At dinner, I talk about my day with my family. After that, I finish my homework and reading for the next day. Next, I watch about an hour of TV or play on the computer. Finally, I brush my teeth, put on my pajamas, and get into bed. Next, is it ordered according to highlights? The best part of vacation was the skiing. After a cold day outside, however, the next best thing was the great food and hot tub. Finally, I enjoyed the huge fireplace at the lodge. Or is it ordered by cause and effect? When I run every day, I have much more energy than if I sit around. If I do not get any exercise, I get sick more often. It is the same thing with food. If I only eat junk food, I just do not feel good. Story variants are the small details in the text which change the meaning or offer new information. For example, the movie Hoodwinked is a story variant of Little Red Riding Hood. Hoodwinked is a modern version of the story with many new details and characters, such as Twitchy the squirrel. And theme, or the subject, topic, or repeating focus. Sometimes two passages can be about completely different people or events and still share a theme. To discover this, Think about what the two sentences might be trying to say to you. What is the theme of the story?